If we delete a file by accident, why can't we recover it without having to go back to a ADMS backup and restore it? Well, now we can. As an admin, we can enable the trash bin. We can have it set to automatically empty the trash bin every 30 days or just leave the trash bin active. And so what happens here is when you are looking at your home screen here inside Vault Pro 2026, down at the bottom you have a trash bin. So currently my trash bin is empty. If we come over to today's folder, here's a test for design representation. And Mr. Rose tells me we no longer need this file. So I'm going to delete this file. And he says, all right, you want to get rid of it in its version. It's going to be sent to the trash bin. If you hold down Shift and delete, it's still a permanent deletion. If you just right click and delete or select it and hit delete on the keyboard, it will go to the trash bin by hitting yes. And now in the trash bin, there's my file. So now from here, I can restore it or I can permanently delete it. So I can restore it and it goes right back to the folder where it was. And this works for folders as well. So if I delete a folder, same thing. This will be sent to the trash bin instead of permanently deleted. Yes, thank you very much. We come back down to our trash bin. Here is our folder and contents. So we can right click and restore just the folder, or we can restore the folder and all contents. So I'm going to select both, get the folder and the contents, and we come back up to our file, and there it is. Our folder is still there, our file is still there.